Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic given. Tangerine Bank continues to provide competitive incentives for new clients looking to maximize their everyday banking and savings. If you are considering making the switch, understanding the current promotional offers can help you decide which accounts deserve your attention. The primary offering that draws many new customers is the Tangerine no-fee daily checking account promotion. New clients who open their first checking account and successfully switch over their automated, recurring payroll direct deposits can earn a cash bonus of up to $250. To qualify for this payroll offer, your client number must be registered within the active promotional window, and you must set up your direct deposits within 60 days of opening the account. This checking account features no monthly account fees, unlimited everyday transactions, and free Interac e-transfers, making it a strong option for daily banking without hidden costs. Aside from everyday checking, Tangerine features lucrative promotional interest rates for new savings clients. New customers who open an eligible savings account can secure a promotional interest rate of 4.5% for the first 5 months on deposits up to $1 million. This provides a substantial yield boost compared to standard baseline rates, giving your cash room to grow during the initial transition period. For those focusing on long-term or tax-advantaged savings, Tangerine also extends promotional rates to registered accounts. New clients opening applicable registered savings accounts, such as a tax-free savings account, registered retirement savings plan, or registered retirement income fund, can access a promotional rate of up to 5% for a period of 153 days. Furthermore, if you are transferring existing external registered funds into Tangerine investments or registered accounts, they frequently feature transfer fee coverage up to a specific limit once you meet the minimum net contribution thresholds. Taking advantage of these promotions requires keeping close track of the specific deadlines and timeline constraints. Most new client offers require you to open your accounts within 60 days of generating your initial client number. Reviewing the exact terms directly on Tangerine's official platform ensures you meet every automated deposit and balance maintenance requirement before the promotional windows close. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.